Keenan's Customs, Jeff Johnson's, billetfab.com, oil pan for our 99 Dodge Dakota project. We are officially sending it back. He's had to, it's our R3 racing block, and we've had to send it back and forth 3 times, and he still hasn't got it right. As you can see, the holes, this is the pan that fits. The holes do not line up.
No.
The holes are symmetrical on both sides. If you get the gasket for the one that
fold it over, the stock gasket, fold it over. The holes are on the same on both
they're symmetrical.
sides. So I line these holes up on this side the best as I can, and they're not perfect.
And as you can see,
this hole's off right here. This hole's off right here.
Alright, take it off for a second. Take it off for a second. Take it off for a second. Take it off.
And this
take it off. Where's the square? Where's the square? And another part, they've had to remake this side a couple of times. As you can see, I mean, it is not.
It goes in.
It goes in big time, and with the gasket on it, I would not trust it. I mean, this side's pretty good, but
that side's fine.
It's supposed to give 40 to 50 horsepower. I mean, that's what we want made. If Moroso can make us one like that, we want billet aluminum. For I mean, it's nice. I mean, but it just won't fit. I mean, you can see we got the holes marked. This hole was already reamed out. I mean, if you're paying